In this video, we're going to take a look at an individual limit. It is going to be a limit that x is approaching 0 here. So that's going to work to our advantage. All right, so overall, it's kind of messy here. The trick that we're going to have to do here to be able to work this limit out is we're going to divide through by the highest power of x in the denominator. All right, right there is just an x. All right, so if we divide through by the highest power of x, this is going to help things out tremendously here. So let's go ahead and show that. We'll have the limit as x approaches 0. Okay, so if I take that first term, 5x, and divide by x. All right, then we'll take the sine of 3x, divide by x. We'll put that all over the tangent of 4x all over x minus 7x cosine 2x and divide that all by x. Okay, so there is our dividing through by our highest power of x in the denominator. All right, now let's do some simplifying and some thinking this through. Okay, so we got x on top of x. That's going to cross out. That's going to give us a constant 5 right there. All right, this part of the limit as x approaches 0, okay, many of us will have that memorized. We know that's going to 3. All right, same thing down here in the bottom. We've got that tangent of 4x over x. When we let x go to 0, we know this is approaching 4. All right, in this last expression here, x divided by x there is going to cross out. I'm just going to have a 7 cosine of 2x. All right, so then that means I'm actually now ready, because I've thought this through, I'm ready for a direct substitution. All right, so I'm going to do a direct substitution. All right, plugging 0 in for x here. All right, I'm going to have a 5 there. All right, we said we know when we plug 0 in there, this is going to go to 3. All right, down here, this is going to go to 4. And then I'll literally plug in a 0 here, so we'll have a 7 cosine of 2 times 0 would be 0. Okay, cosine of 0 is 1. So then basically on top we're going to have an 8. On the bottom here we'll have a negative 3. We go ahead and simplify that, put that negative up on top, a negative 8/3. All right, so using that concept of dividing through by a power of x, the highest power of x in the denominator, is very, very helpful. And then also, you know, some little shortcut tricks, things that you know. All right, sine kx over x. As x approaches 0, you know it's going to approach k. Same thing with your tangent value there. So, you know, a few tricks of the trade there will make this limit not seem so bad after all. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.